Inside a warm cafe, rain pours outside. Heroine notices him across the street with another girl. The girl touches his arm.
Who is she? Why is he smiling like that? No, I can't sit here and pretend that didn't hurt.
Wait, please. It's not what it looks like.
I trusted him, didn't I? Then why does it feel like my heart just cracked open? I shouldn't have looked. I should have never cared this much.
I lost her. I need to find her. She saw something she wasn't supposed to. Something I should have explained. I can't lose her like this.
Maybe. I didn't give him enough reason to stay. He'll say it was nothing. He'll look at me with those eyes and I'll fall again. I can't do this anymore. I can't keep breaking. Should I go back? Should I even want to?
I thought I lost you forever. She's not who you think she is. You left before I could say anything.
Because it hurt. Seeing you with her. I couldn't breathe.
I wasn't cheating on you. That girl? She's my cousin. She came to ask about our family's property.
I was scared, okay? Scared that I wasn't enough. That maybe, deep down, you were already letting go of us.
I wasn't letting go. I was holding on. To you. To us. I was just too stupid to realize how easily I could lose you.
I was so scared you'd stop choosing me.
I'd chase you in every lifetime. You're not just someone I love. You're my home.
Then prove it. Maybe love isn't about never hurting. Maybe it's about fighting your way back, even through the rain.